big trip in Portugal. So from south of Portugal, from
on our way to the north now.
yeah. What was the name of the region?
Albufeira.
No, the city was Albufeira, but
Algarve. The cities are the region is Algarve. It's in the south of Portugal. Very nice beaches.
Yeah.
And now we are going on our way to the north. We are going on our way to Lisbon, but we will not arrive to Lisbon.
You will stay in a Setubal place.
Yeah, it's in the middle, more or less on our way. No, probably more near than.
No, closer to Lisbon. Yes, if you
Yeah.
will look on the map, it's like 1 hour to arrive to Lisbon by car. And in Setubal there is very beautiful beach.
Yeah, we was checking information about what is beautiful, what beach is beautiful here. And we was reading that in Setubal there is one beach, very nice. We was showing picture. And we were,
Kind of Portuguese Maldives.
yeah, it's very clean water, very nice. Also here in Algarve is very nice beach, but there is different. It's near to one natural reserve. So in fact, it's in one natural reserve. We are going to try to find the beach
And to see how nice
and
it
to
is.
see and to be there and to pass the day today there. Now I hope that the weather will
Will be sunny.
Yeah.
Yeah, lucky with the weather always.
Yeah.
Oh my god, how is possible to drive here?
The leaves here. This is now we need to find. We arrived to Setubal. We are in Hotel Luna. It's a basic one hotel. To pass one night is more than enough. We have the bed there. It's very basic. The bed, the toilet, and the wardrobe. The toilet is basic. Also have everything here. Have shampoo, gel to clean the hand. The hotel is pretty clean, so it's something good. Central location. We have free parking near. We will see this beach that we came here to see, the Galapiños beach. The parking is one parking that now is free of charge. You need to pay, but if you want to park free of charge, you have this area, but also there, on this way, you can park free of charge. I was parking the car there. Now I will see if it's still there the car or no. I hope it's still there. And as I was explaining to you before, when you park, we was parking the car there, and later we took the bus there. At the end there is one bus station, but also you can go walking, because now on our way back we was walking. We have advantage today's nice video now with the sunset, so we came walking and it's very comfortable, very nice to see the view, and I recommend to you to go and come back walking.